Hello. So this video is on what some would call woo-woo and some would call esoteric. And what I've noticed teaching over the years is that anything that I teach someone that is new, that is just beneath their level of awareness, that is of a more subtle energy or physical mechanic or whatever it is to that person in that moment esoteric. It's so esoteric. It's woo-woo. But then as the awareness picks up and as that skill starts to develop and the ease of touching that skill starts to develop, then it's no longer woo-woo, it's no longer esoteric. It is very clearly and tangibly understood, felt, and the student's able to work with it. And the clarity of this builds. So that thing that was esoteric, that did seem like woo-woo, is suddenly as tangible as like the wall, right? It's very, very, very real. And this is very common. Now we all form our perceptions off of our experience. Our view gets shaped off of our experience. So we might not experience certain layers of energy and what we're working with. Certain aspects of the body might be blocked to us. So when we are noting these things that are these blockages, that's fine. It's there. But if we sever our potential that this thing that seems esoteric or woo could be real, if we cut that off and we go, no, this is just bullshit, and the people who do this, they're deluded, they're easily deluded. If you do that, then you cut yourself off from the potential of exploring that. So one of the keys I found to sort of success and fast-tracking practice and what we can do is to suspend disbelief. And you have to make a practice of suspending disbelief. Sure, you might not be experiencing it now, doesn't mean it's not real. Just let it be. Come back to it at another time, and maybe there's something there, maybe there isn't. Suspend disbelief again, and just put it in that space of suspension and let it exist there. You don't have to lock it away and stamp it down as impossible or something only gullible people look into or work with. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this and it was some food for thought. All right, I'll let you go. Bye.